Hi everybody from Wonder Class, and today you are joining me again in our history lesson, which is online. So in the last history lesson that you had, you should have been able to access the virtual Roman workshop online, and you might have some questions which you would have posted onto Tapestry. I will then pass those questions on for Mike to answer, and maybe he will send us a video back answering his questions. So in today's lesson, we're just going to be exploring what modern day Rome is like. So here's a question for everybody. Does Rome still exist today? What do you think? Yes or no? Have about 30 seconds, have a think, and then shout it out on the screen. I know I can't hear you, but I will reveal the answer. So, yes, Rome does still exist today, and Rome is in the nation of Italy. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do our task one. I'm going to give you an example of how to carry out your first task for today's lesson, and that is using Google Earth. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different places to explore. We're going to explore maybe 1 or 2 of those. I'm just going to show you how to access Google Earth. So I am going to go to my internet page. Oh, I'm just going to click onto my internet page. There we have it. Sorry, that took a little bit of a moment. And then I'm going to type into Google, Google Earth, which will then appear. I will click the first link and let it load. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this, looks like a magnifying glass. I'm going to click the search bar and I'm going to type, well, it's already been typed in before, so Colosseum in Rome, and I'm going to click it. And it has a little bit of information on the left-hand side. So the Colosseum is an oval amphitheatre in the centre of the city of Rome, Italy, just east of the Roman Forum, and is the largest. If I click more info, it will direct me to more information, and I will be able to read about the Colosseum. So if I go down, and then you could click onto Wikipedia, or you could use a different website to find a different place, find different information, sorry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my person and drop him in. And now I've entered the Colosseum. So this is just a way of getting a feel of what it looks like and really being like you're actually there. So you can have a look, you can see all of the things around you. You can have a look that there are lots of tourists that also go there. And that's one way of looking at it. Another place I'm going to search is the Roman baths. And I am going to click it, and it should take me to where the Roman public baths are. Again, I will have some information which I can extend to find out more. And then I'm going to drop my person into this area, and I will be able to see what would have been the Roman baths, and I can go around and I can have a little bit of an explore. So that is one of your first activities that you're going to be doing in your lesson, using Google Earth to find these places and have a look and explore. Okay, so here is your second task. Your second task of today's lesson is to research and write about one of those sites in modern day Rome. So if you go back to one of these sites after looking at them on Google Earth, have a research about one of those sites and write about it. So you would have your title, you might decorate it with some pictures, and make sure if you're drawing a picture of one of the places, you write a caption underneath for what it is. And then write your subheadings about the place that you're searching up on. And your third and final task for today's lesson is to choose one of those sites and compare it to how it was in the ancient Roman times to how it is now. So, for example, I will tell you that the last place, the Circus Maximus, was a place in ancient Rome, and it still is a place in Rome. However, it's turned into a park. So have a look, because these things will be able to get you to understand that some of these things, they still exist now in modern day Rome, but they also it will allow you to understand what they looked like and what they were used for during the ancient Roman times, just to see the similarities and differences. So there's your 3 tasks for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy carrying out the activities, and remember to post and share your work onto Tapestry. See you in the next lesson, everybody. Bye.